Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, March 1, 2024. It's the start of a new month, and March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. But we'll see if that's true. Not a bad day here in upstate New York. So we'll see if the transition from here even gets warmer. If that's true, it gets going to get warmer by the end of March. Not sure we're done with winter, but we'll see. And for those who maybe of a certain age, there's a funny Saturday Night Live skit with John Belushi, I believe Chevy Chase, about the March coming in like a lion and out like a lamb, and he goes through different parts of the country, and it's pretty funny if you can find it on probably on YouTube. So on to the markets. So we did have a strong February in the markets. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, even the Russell joined the party this month, all up 5%. Dow was only up 2.3 for the year to date. S&P and Nasdaq leading the way. Russell kind of getting going, still up about 1.5% year to date. So did have a bad January. Interesting, I think some other things that China and Japan had really good months. Germany and Italy had pretty good months. And also, the bond market was weak as interest rates go up. And I think there's a new theme out there that maybe the Fed doesn't cut at all this year. The chief economist at Apollo, who I get his email, if anybody wants to look at it, he's making a prediction or bringing up the idea that the Fed's not going to cut this year, and so we'll see how that happens. But so it may be a function of inflation, or it may be a function of interest rates. But I think a couple of thoughts that the markets are trading pretty well, and if earnings kick in, this could be the market could continue to go. Now getting overextended, and I think maybe it would be natural to see some sort of pause or pullback. But there's a broadening of it, which we didn't see in 2023. So we'll see how that kind of plays out. Now, I'm not trying to give investment advice. If there's an individual question or a situation, happy to get involved. I think some actionable ideas, but I'm not trying to give anybody advice through this medium. But we'll gladly do so if there's a specific question I can get involved with. Thank you. And thank you for listening, and have a good weekend. We'll speak on Monday. Goodbye.